Your question, the member from Elgin, Middlesex, London.
Mr. Speaker, my question is to the Minister of Finance. Morning, Minister. Minister, there's been much talk about the 15% auto insurance premium reduction. We, of course, have been on record as saying you will not achieve this reduction without a plan of action. However, I recently heard that a number of non-standard auto insurance companies have been brought in by the Financial Services Commission of Ontario and directed to submit filings with rate reductions. Are you pleased with this progress?
Minister of Finance.
Thank you for the question. It gives me the opportunity to again reinforce the commitment made by this government over these past many years to tackle fraud and go after the expensive cost of claims that affects high premiums in our province relative to other parts of Canada. As a result of those endeavours and those efforts and the work done by many of my colleagues, rates have now started to go down. And more importantly than that, we now have more regulatory oversight by Fisco, enabling those insurance companies the opportunity to now file for lower rates. And I'm pleased to say, Mr. Speaker, that because of the competitive nature of the industry, a number of those companies have now advertised lower rates, and I encourage everyone to shop around. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Supplementary.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Minister, your plan of inaction is clearly showing. I find it industry that the government giving priority to non-standard insurance companies. Non-standard insurance companies in Ontario, defined according to one website of a company, specializes in providing personal automobile insurance for private passenger vehicles used for non-commercial purposes to individuals who do not qualify for standard insurance market. To translate, it means non-standard companies insure the worst drivers on the roads, the drunk drivers, the speeders, the drivers with multiple accidents, those that endanger our lives on the roads. And yet your government has decided to start your rate reductions with these drivers, while leaving the good drivers, the ones that make our roads safer, out in the cold. You acted without a plan to play bumper sticker politics with a third party in order to prop you up in the budget. Minister, why do you think bad drivers deserve a better rate deduction than good drivers?
Mr. Speaker, the point of our exercise and the work that's being done is to reduce rates on average for drivers in our province and to benefit those good drivers who deserve lower rates. The member opposite and his party have done nothing to support this cause, and now they're asking questions about an issue that is taking hold and that we are acting upon, and we will continue to work on behalf of the people of Ontario. We will continue to champion consumers who deserve lower rates with or without your support. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.